Hey guys, NCWQ here, and today is 7/12/2024. The time is 9:12 a.m. And I have y'all looking at EMSC. You can see 12 hours and 52 minutes ago, there was a 5.8 Central East Pacific Ridge, and we're going to go and look at this earthquake. We're also going to look at another earthquake as well. So let's get this into Google Earth and we will go and look at the area. So here we go. This one is offshore. We can see this is the Sandwell Ridges here in this area. This here is a boundary for the plate. That's the oceanic spreading rift. And this is the Pacific Nazca convergent boundary. And this is where this big earthquake has hit over here off of South America here. Okay, so we're going to look at our next earthquake. This one was the Central East Pacific Rise. And our next earthquake is on the next page. We'll follow it down here. We'll find this earthquake. It was a 5.7 near the coast of southern Peru. Now, yesterday I had talked about the antipode for the 7.1 earthquake in the Gulf of Mindanao, Philippines. And I had stated how Brazil was the antipode. So this one here is not happening exactly in Brazil, but this earthquake is happening close enough that I could think that it might be an antipode quake. So here we go. You can see where this earthquake is hitting. There's a town over here, Las Tres Quebradas. You can see it looks like there's few sparse houses here. However, there is a town over here, which is Puerto de Lomas, and it looks like it is built on this outcrop here from the island. So, wonder if there's a view here. There is. So let's go down here and take a look. We can see what appears to be a little village. Wonder if there's a sea view. Appears to be there, maybe. Let's go here. You can see the ocean out that way. So anyway, as I was saying, let's get this back on north here. As I was saying, I thought that this one might be an antipode quake because Brazil is right here. And I had mentioned it yesterday that Brazil would be the antipode for the 7.1 earthquake in the Moro Gulf, Mindanao, Philippines. Anyway, you guys, that's my real quick update. I hope you guys are doing well. Please have a great day. I may or may not be back later, depending on if there is any more big earthquakes. Also, I am off on Saturday and Sunday. If there is a big earthquake, I will get back on and make another video. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all have a great day. And if you can, please hit the like button and subscribe. Much love.